Hey, spin enthusiasts. It's been a minute, but I wanted to get on here and touch base and talk to you guys just for a minute while I'm driving on my way home from a doctor's appointment. Everything is looking good, and I wanted to talk to you because on Tuesday, if you were watching our live stream, you may know that I was interviewing Andy Lecture, and we got cut off about halfway through our interview. And what ended up happening was that basically our entire internet service provider got cut off. Something happened, and like our whole town, and like the next two towns over that they service, all were completely cut off from the internet for the rest of the night. And it also just so happened that I had some sort of weird glitch in my phone, so I couldn't even use my cell phone data to like reinstate the live stream. So Tuesday night became kind of a mess. Andy and I are planning on finishing up our live interview. I will make a post with dates and times whenever we are going to do that. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please send them in. Let me know what you want to know from Andy. We're really glad that we have had him as a guest instructor over on our YouTube channel this month. He's done some fantastic video instruction for the world-class level color guard, world-class level flags, I should say. He's been doing a lot of great stuff for that. We have another guest instructor coming up next month, so if you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you are, and make sure you follow, because we have some really awesome world-class moves. She and I were just discussing today what moves that she's going to be teaching you guys over on our YouTube channel, so make sure you are subscribed. Really exciting stuff going on. If you haven't been watching Squared Independent, they're doing some really great stuff. They've got a lot of they're putting out their virtual programs each month during the summer, and I've been seeing this choreography that they've got going on. It's awesome. It's awesome. I know Andy's been involved with that. Heather Graham's been involved with that, and just some really great stuff going on. So make sure you watch them, and yeah, like I said, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel too. We are on the road to 20K subscribers on YouTube, and my hope and my dream is that we can get them before my birthday, which is August 14th, so this summer. And then if you guys have been keeping up with baby progress, I am due in September, so my goal is to get 20,000 YouTube subscribers before my birthday. We have a Spintronics merch giveaway we're going to do when we hit 20,000 subscribers, and then we'll do that for my birthday. And after that, there's going to be a bit of a hiatus while I go have my baby, as far as social media is concerned. So a hiatus from me, not from the rest of the social media team. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following us on all of our platforms. And yeah, like I said, make sure you drop me some questions if you've got questions for Andy, and I will let you guys know as soon as we are ready to finish out our live stream interview from the other night. Bye.